Check this guy out. The homeowner says they don't know this guy. He's definitely at the wrong house.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Virginia Beach, Virginia. A neighbor shared this footage of a tornado that hit his backyard. Looks like these two guys are up to no good. This is why you might want to invest in a stronger door frame. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. We all know you can't leave plants outside anymore. Yeah, we see you, lady. Check this guy out. He appears to be a zombie. Yeah. That's why you better keep those doors locked. Good thing they had a strong frame or he would be inside. Goodyear, Arizona. Some people just don't need to be driving. Some people just don't need to be on the road. A neighbor shared this footage. I mean, you wouldn't even believe it unless you've seen the footage yourself. Yeah, your car's not even safe in the driveway. Los Angeles, California. A neighbor gets notification and stops these two guys from entering his home.
You're on camera.
Yeah. Get lost! Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Can't leave plants outside anymore, especially in Philly. Yeah, we see you with your fake fur coat on, lady. Hey, put that back. Yeah. That looks like a Bentley Bentayga in the driveway. Sometimes those exotic cars will attract the wrong attention.
Hey G, I know you see me right now. I heard you like to hit women, bro. I got news for you, buddy. You hit the wrong girl last night, homie. I'm gonna be here every day until you answer the door, I promise you. And I'm not the one you wanna fuck with, homie. I'm a real Italian gangster. I'm gonna treat you as such.
A homeowner catches this guy creeping around in his backyard. He comes outside and has a few words for him.
What the fuck are you doing? Why?
I'm just trying to get through some of the guys on that side. The one of the big white truck.
Yeah.
They tried to go through here.
Fountain Valley, California. Check this guy out. The homeowner said this guy broke in and stole some things. The homeowner said this guy was able to get inside his house. Yeah. Portland, Oregon. We got another intruder. This is why you might want to invest in a bigger, scarier dog. This friendly dog wants to go for a walk. Doesn't even bother growling at this guy. Yeah, dogs are cute, but you may want to get a scarier one to help. Yeah, dogs are cute, but you may want to get a scarier one to help protect your home. Yeah, this guy wasn't even fazed by this dog. Los Angeles, California. A homeowner shared this footage of this person walking up to their house with a hammer in his hand. But she had a few words for this guy.
Hello? Who's there? Hello?
This ain't Home Depot. Get lost!
Might as well answer the door, bro. I know you're in there, dog. You're beating up on women, beating up on your old girl, and you're hitting other girls too. That shit ain't flying no more. You're a grown-ass man putting your hands on women. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you either here or outside of here. I promise you. I promise you. Either I'm gonna get you right here in the comfort of your own home, or I'm gonna catch you on the street, or I'm gonna catch you at work. I'm telling you right now, you better answer the f***ing door, dog. You better come catch these hands. Alright, you ain't nothing but a bitch, bro. I'm gonna be on this street every day until I catch your ass. I'm gonna be on this street with my goons every day until I catch you. I promise.
Bakersfield, California. Yeah. We got a late night creeper here. The homeowner gets a notification and has a few words for her. Let's see what happens.
What are you doing out there? Get away. Away from the door. Don't open that door. Don't open that door. Somebody's standing right there. Calling the police.
North Little Rock, Arkansas. So this guy breaks into this homeowner's house and then takes his curtains and uses them as a jacket or a poncho or something. Hey, that's my curtains, buddy. Fort Worth, Texas. Another late night creeper on someone's porch, but the homeowner has a few words for them. Yeah, make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow.
Hello?
Oh. No, Mom. I'll close your gate. Hello?
Make sure you check out the Doorbell News store at doorbellnews.com. Yeah.
Hey.
This is Jen from Doorbell News. We are now offering members-only exclusive content.
Become a member of Doorbell News today. Get exclusive content. Join today for exclusive access.
Become a member of Doorbell News today.
Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.